Committed club time. Committed club time. For all those super fit people. Brought to you by, oh wait, wrong side.
Yeah,
Cal
thanks.
Coast Beer Company.
Winners to receive.
Rich donated some really awesome prizes today. Oh, let's turn that up so they can actually hear us. We have a t-shirt and a gift certificate to a Cal Coast hat.
Your choice.
So you can go downtown and sport that bear life and see if you can look as fit as Rich. He looks good.
Yeah.
I mean, are we allowed to say that on the internet? Rich looks good.
He does.
Yeah. I'm thinking he only samples his craft. Does not. Anyway, so we got a couple of cool things coming up. Well, actually, right now we got those new shirts. Get them in the Ergo app. They are selling like hotcakes. I see the sales are going. These are gonna look good. And don't forget, we got tank tops. Summer's coming up, right?
Yeah. Those would be nice.
Then we got Murph coming up at the end of the month. This is soon.
It's going to be here fast.
I'm super excited. We're going to have the ACF people here too.
Fun.
It's going to be really cool. We're going to throw a big barbecue.
Anybody's invited.
Yeah, bring a friend. It don't matter. And it's scalable. Don't worry. You don't have to do it as prescribed. It's just out here having some fun. What else we got going on? Oh, this one. Really super important.
Yeah.
Right? The L1, CrossFit L1. This is not just for coaches. I think Stephanie took this one last time we hosted it. It is basic, your
information.
CrossFit fundamentals.
Yeah.
First time I did it, I never planned on being a coach. Now, here we are. So that's going to be May 21st. Sign up on CrossFit's website. If you need the link, just let me know. Hey, Nate, we're doing a live show. You want to be on it? Okay. You weren't on Committed Club, so you can't be on the show. Yeah. What else? What else we got on? Oh, prom. June 25th. That's going to be cool. Let's get dressed up.
Photo booth this time for sure.
Mm-hmm. Can we still have the microphone?
She can.
Okay. All right. So, the winners of, well, not the winners, but our Committed Club members. Look at that. We got some new names here. Mm-hmm. The usual bunch, Jannet, Minerva. But I think this is Christina's first time on the list.
Yeah, good job.
That's fantastic. Shanna and Sophie, also a Committed Club staple. But Donovan, fantastic.
Yeah.
Nice job.
Ambassador now.
He is.
That's cool.
And congratulations to Vanessa for getting her Paso PD job offer. We are super proud of you. The streets of Paso will be a lot safer when she is patrolling because we know how fit, we know how strong she is.
Yeah, that's cool.
John made it again. Huh, okay. We're going to hear from John on Tuesday. Oops, little spoiler there. Julianna, a regular. Dixon. Steven made it back.
2 months in a row.
Bravo, Steven. I'm proud of you. And then Sarah has been on this list several times. Yeah. So, who's going to win? Who's going to win? We got the bingo balls are back.
All the numbers are here.
Okay.
Here we go. And let's see.
Get it.
It's not.
Get it.
There,
Come on.
There's one.
Here we go. Boom. 62. Kodie. Kodie, you are the winner.
Good job.
This week. We'll see him in a little bit because he's very committed.
Yeah, every day.
Very committed. So, congratulations to Kodie. Congratulations to all the people on this list. You are truly inspirational to everybody not on the list and to me and to Marley. So, we'll see you guys next month. 16 classes.
Yeah. 4 times a week. Easy.